We're doing an educational visioning session with Avon Lake City Schools, and we're bringing together staff members for the school district, students, and any other local community members to kind of get everyone's opinion on the new design for the school. As TDA, we explain who we are. We'll sit down and we'll do some questions with them, and we'll have them break out into different sessions. They'll work together as a team and they'll answer some questions, and that is a way for us at TDA to be able to take those answers that they're giving us and kind of come up with a design plan for the new building.
Sometimes we feel as adults that we have all the answers and we really don't. And so it's great to hear what the kids need and want in their new building or what they'd like to see moving forward.
So we wrote the pros and cons about our school and what we dislike and like about it. And then we did the planning of what the new school is going to look like and what we think it could look like and what would be good about it. And then we answered questions about stuff like things that we do in school right now.
At every table, we would write down ideas of what we want to see or what we don't want to see at our new school, and make maps of our school and how we want to see it set up.
Good job.
We had a board and we had tiny blocks like dedicating classrooms and bathrooms and like gym, the cafeteria, and we needed to see how we would place them, do the school for better improvements, and just to make sure that everything's safe, and like with the buses and cars that come in and out.
It's very important to engage the community because in our community of Avon Lake, the buildings are also used as the recreational facilities. So we have a lot of outside groups that come and utilize our facilities, and we want to make sure that we're capturing the voices of all of our community members, not just our parents and students.
It's important to have everyone contribute and to get new ideas, because some people forget about some stuff that others don't really think about that much. That's really important.
All of our tables were a mixed crowd, right? And we got to hear ideas and bring them together, and it led to other ideas.
The snack station and like the breaks and the new rooms that we could have there, I just thought that were really cool ideas.
One idea that got me really excited was a deck where we could do work or, play a game or something like that, or eat lunch even out there, and that would be fun.
Having that diversity in the voices that we heard today was great. All the different ideas, whether it was bringing back things that were important to us as an older generation back into the newer generation and looking forward. So making sure that we incorporate all of these things.
What are some differences of each of these?
Educational visioning helps us get an idea of the direction that the design can possibly go for the project. So that feedback is good for us.
Our community really comes together and to rally around our kids, and I really appreciate that and think it's important. The best is yet to come. Community is only as strong as the schools, and I love that we have support from our community to our schools. Having something brand new and shiny in the city of Avon Lake, it's going to be the first time in a long time where we have created a facility that the community will get to use, and I'm just excited to get through the process, open those doors, and allow our community to see it for the first time.
I hope that this speech and all the speeches that were given inspires you to do something different.
I love it. It's beautiful.